Most of us interact with AI by typing a question into a chat box, but modern AI operates more like an autonomous digital workforce. The biggest roadblock to trusting that workforce is the fear of incorrect answers. Anthropic built Claude as a safety-first model. It is designed to admit when it lacks information, which is a necessary feature when you rely on it for professional work. The delegation spectrum maps your workflow from manual prompting to full delegation: assistant, collaborator, and agent. 3 models power this: Haiku, Sonnet, and Opus. Haiku spins rapidly for instant tasks. Sonnet pulses steadily for daily work. Opus moves slowly for nuanced reasoning. High productivity comes from assigning the right level of intelligence to the specific task at hand. The assistant layer is the foundation, where Claude handles isolated, immediate requests. It uses a global memory system to recall your long-term goals without needing repeated context, and live web search provides up-to-date answers on recent events. You can also teach the model your specific writing tone. By feeding the custom style feature a sample of your work, the AI matches your vocabulary and cadence, producing text that sounds like your own writing. This UI shows how Claude handles complex outputs. Instead of raw text, it generates artifacts. When you ask for a financial tracker or a chart, it builds these visual assets in a dedicated workspace on the right, keeping your main conversation clear and organized. By handling formatting and drafting, the assistant layer clears away the friction of daily content creation. This allows you to focus on high-level direction rather than the mechanics of typing. The collaborator layer moves beyond the chat box by linking Claude directly to your live workspaces. Through connectors, the AI reaches into tools like Google Drive, Slack, and Gmail. Rather than you manually moving text into a prompt, Claude can read your live emails and draft a prioritized summary on its own. For problems requiring strategic deduction, you enable extended thinking. The model pauses to calculate multiple paths. It maps out a decision tree and evaluates variables, only showing the result once it has reasoned through the problem. Research mode takes this further by allowing the AI to browse the web autonomously. It cross-references sources for up to 45 minutes, gathering fragmented data and organizing it into a single, comprehensive report. At this level, your role changes. You stop managing isolated tasks and start acting as a director, reviewing a completed analysis. Agentic AI represents a transition to independent execution. At this level, the model interacts with your computer's files and software to complete multi-step workflows without manual oversight. Claude Cowork operates directly on your desktop. You point the AI to a folder on your computer and give it a goal, like building a presentation deck, and it combs through your local files to assemble the asset on its own. For technical work, Claude Code acts as a terminal-based software engineer. It reads your codebase, identifies dependencies, and actively fixes bugs by applying changes directly to your files. The most advanced capability is computer use. The AI visually perceives the screen, takes control of the cursor, and clicks through a complex spreadsheet. It selects cells and drags data exactly like a human operator. This is built for repetitive data entry. Once you define the steps, you can walk away from your desk while the AI updates records or fills out forms. The agentic layer removes the burden of manual execution. Instead of clicking through every step of a project yourself, you monitor the AI as it handles the technical labor. Accessing this workforce depends on your tier. There's a free plan for basic use, a $20 Pro plan for advanced tools, and a $100 Max plan for agentic work. Start at the base, upgrading only when usage limits and processing power bottleneck your output. Claude is a multi-layered ecosystem. To get the best results, you must decide which tier of the delegation spectrum matches the complexity of your current project. Automating these technical hurdles changes the capacity of a single worker. When the machine handles the execution, the person who can most effectively coordinate their digital staff will be the one who gets the most done.